morning.
Good morning.
We are from Alorica. So today I'm asking you some questions about yourself. So we'll start.
My name is Daniela Cabrera. I'm 23 years old and single mother. I have a girl. And I'm currently taking out a bilingual technician for call center in the center.
So tell me, Daniel, what would you like to be part of our Alorica work?
I would like to be part of your team because I feel that I qualify for the job. I can also work as a team and I strive to meet the goals and challenge that I establish. I have always liked what I customer care either face to face or the phone. I handle English fairly well and I have technical knowledge about how call center work and how to train a customer.
So how could you describe yourself?
Well, I consider myself a very active person and committed to what I do. I like to have good relations with my coworkers and since it's the place where we perform what we know, and I think it should be a pleasant environment. I learn very easily. Also, I adapt to the slight change that may be in my job or abroad.
If a customer called you very upset, even insulting, what reaction would you want?
Well, in this case, my reaction will be to be educated and polite first, by being professional with the client and then putting myself in the customer place and telling him what I'm going to do to solve his problem.
If you had a coworker who is being rude to the person who is calling you, what would you recommend him to do?
I will recommend him to have a little empathy with his customer and be more polite when it comes to responding and make him feel that he is there to solve the problem he has called.
So, what do you think would the best way to get a client to pay their debt?
If the client cannot pay for certain circumstance that he is going through, it will be best to make him a payment arrangement, having a clearance from the superiors where he feels that he is being given the opportunity to get out of debt and see that both parties they win.
If you were to stay with a job, would you like to have flexible or permanent hours?
I will really be willing to schedule the company to require my presence.
Pero, ¿tienes que llevarnos a las dos?
Sí.
It was a pleasure to interview Daniela, and we'll be very satisfied with your interview. Thank you.
It was my pleasure to be able to be the perfect candidate for that job.